Hello. This is Cheyenne, founder and CEO of Business Master Suite, also known as BMS. Just a high-level overview of all of the different features and access points inside of here. I'm not going to dive too much into settings right now. This is just for user experience and administrative access and, experience as well. So over on the far left here, these are different portals, okay? I, being the admin, can see all of the current active portals, okay? And then, like I said, I'm not going to go into settings to show you how to turn them on and off because you can do that. Right now we're in my personal internal team portal where my team resides. So this membership we use to communicate with one another, okay? Because we have an app, okay? Now you can customize the app to be your brand, or if you have just the app that you can use that is just generic for and custom, or not custom, but I forget the word for it, but it is already built with Go High Level, is called Go Collab, okay? And that's GOKOLLAB, okay? And you can use the Go Collab app to access your current membership portal, okay? You do not have to have a custom branded app, but if you want a custom branded app, then of course, instead of it being Go Collab, it's gonna be your business, okay? BMS I've been developing our app for a while now. Short story, I used to create custom apps, not using the GHL developer team. So I am still in the process of developing our personal custom app. So unfortunately, I can't show you at this very moment, but I will be showing you shortly in another video that's coming up next on how it looks inside of the Go Collab app. Everything in there can be customized specific for your business. There are a few additional details that I'm currently working out with GHL themselves to see if we can make a few adjustments to certain things based on client needs and preferences. Okay, for now, going back on topic, let me just walk you through here. So we have the internal team. These are different membership portals, okay? You can turn these on and off, okay, inside of the settings. And like I said, another more specific training inside of the GHL support portal actually is where I will in the future be providing those more in-depth trainings. Yes, they are going to be, there's a cost that will be associated with them because of the amount of time it takes me to break it all down, okay? Now, each one of these, you can pick and choose who you want to join these. They can join through links by clicking invite members here, okay? You can invite them directly. You can create your, give administrative privileges. You can copy and send. And then you can also use your CRM inside of your GHL account to add people to, people who are already in your contacts, add them directly to the group, okay? And it'll automatically send, automations and stuff are done as far as adding people and things like that. Now, once you get into the group here, okay, you have in this section are your channels, okay? I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm doing add channel, okay? This allows you to create your channel, the details, all that stuff, what kind of access, things like that. And then, as you can tell, each of these have a lock on it. That means that they are private. So I have specific team members inside of my admin team, the expert team, which is my tech team, marketing, sales, my funnel team, things like that. All of that is inside of here. Now, you can add public channels to where, if you want all of your members to be able to come over and see a list of channels, like if you want different discussion channels, that's where this goes, okay? Your channels can be used for breaking down team members. It can be used for, discussion channels, things like that, and so on and so forth. It's completely up to you how you want to do that, all right? The home, if you go home, this is where you can see all of the announcements, things like that. Announcements here, you can see those here. Home is more for a lot of admin use this because I can see everything in the announcements. So I can see the copy paste project channel here, and I can also see, different announcements here. I'll just give you a quick overview. The admin team, welcome, BMS, more info coming soon, hang tight. I haven't had time to build this out and I'm building it out now. So, because right now, currently, everyone is in different membership groups themselves, so I can show that overall. So I'm just going to publish this here. Okay, now anyone who is a member inside of this group, so I'll click on this real quick. I've got 4 members. Anyone a member inside of here will get a notification sent directly to their email. Let me do this real quick. I'm going to just put everyone, enter, just do that. You can add GIFs, images, video, all kinds of stuff in here, and update. Okay, cool. Oops, sorry, click over that. Okay, you can pin it just like you would on social media, regular social media. And then learning, this is where all your courses are. Events, this is where all your events will be. Leaderboard, this tells you who has the most engagement. If you're not sure about it, just click right here. Members, this is where your list of members are. This is in an admin view, so I apologize. However, in the membership section, this is also how they can see. However, you also, in the app, you can actually see the list of members and select to message them directly. You can also chat with them here by going in the search bar and just, search their name, and you can easily do that, okay? This video that you're watching right now will be in the About section. From the app perspective, you'll see that in the next video. The About section is normally when you invite people to the group, or the membership portal. This is the exact thing that they see first. Okay, so this is not like for the current member saying, hey, welcome to the group, this is what you're, we're so glad you're here, and then you give them all the juicy details. No, this is where you talk about the group in general and you encourage them to log in, sign up, pay, whatever. Okay, and then you can put about here. All right, so that is a high-level overview of this entire process. Now, my favorite feature, which is the newest feature, is the go live. Okay, this is kind of a high-level overview. You can put the title of what the video is, the description. Let me show you one that I have already done. Okay, this is one that I've done previously. It's all in here, and it actually, I share my screen as I am running this video, and you can see it. Okay, so I have actually already downloaded this recording. Okay, so yes, you can record it live and then download it immediately, and you can even move things like posts and stuff to different channels. Okay, so you can disable comments, you can copy the link and share it, all of that good stuff. Okay, I hope I did not go too fast, just running short on time. You also, one more thing in here. Okay, this is where you can add additional links in here, okay, for them members to be able to access. And that's, like I said, that's all done in your settings, and I will be going over this in an additional video. If you have any questions or you want to see something else or you're curious about anything, I highly encourage you to leave a comment in this video and let me know if, what you're curious about, what you want to see, what you want to learn. I am opening up all of my knowledge to help you guys make the best choice that's right for your business and right for your future goals. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Cheyenne, founder and CEO of Business Master Suite. Have a great day.
Like, subscribe, and follow today. Business Master Suite will show you the way. One suite, one solution, unlimited growth. Building your business